Now, I also got to remember, when I cut this off, can I put the coupling, when I get ready to put the coupling back in to the pipe, can I leave the pipe, the whole pipe, the same length that I cut off? Well, no, because this, you look inside, it stops right at that point where that dip is. Okay, I'm putting my finger right there. Okay, so it stops there, and this side stops there, so I can measure that, and it might be 3/4 of an inch, 5/8 of an inch. Let's just see what it is. It could be, I could say an inch. Okay, and so then after I cut that big pipe, I can say, okay, how much is an inch? How many of these things do I have to cut off? Okay, basically 2, right? If I cut off where the end of the tape is to this other groove, I'm cutting 2 of these out, 2 high ridges. So I want to go from there to there. So I got 1 low ridge in between, and that's how much I'm going to cut off, right? At least for that long one. Okay, then it will fit in there. I mean, would it still fit? Yeah, it'd probably still fit. It'd crinkle up somewhere and zigzag just barely in here, but I'm going to do it right. And then see on this one here, before I cut it, I got to think about it. I haven't moved this yet, and if I didn't cut any off, this would extend over another inch, wouldn't it? Do I want it over another inch? Because see, I'm going to take these rocks eventually at the end, and I'm going to pile them all around here and get it flush from here down to there. So this whole little bit is going to be rocks, okay, when it's all said and done. All right, so do I want this to extend over another inch? Probably not. Probably not. If this was shoved way back to there, I could say, okay, yeah, right to there, that's still fine and dandy. Okay, so when I take that one out, I'll have to remember that too. All right, it's just something I need to be aware of. All right, I'm getting ready to cut this. I'll show you that in a minute, okay?